guys, it's Billy. I'm making this video right now to talk about how scared and worried I am about the fucking shootings that have been going on and how nobody in charge is doing anything to change anything at all, and how I literally can't stand it. And so I'm basically making this video to try to get as many people as I can to at least try to change things. And something you can do to help would be if you text the word CHECKS, CHECKS, to the number 64433. You can connect to one of your U.S. senators and ask them to take action on gun safety, just to help. Please, just help. Love you. You said she's scared of me? I mean, I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing your cologne.